guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Wendy and this is Wendy with the I, and I'm in the middle of doing a film or vlog every day in April. So I think this is video number 11 and it is my lip bar unboxing, and I'm super excited about this because I've been wanting to try them for so long. And I finally did it. I finally just went ahead and ordered some lipsticks and I love them. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna show you what I got in the package, and then I'm gonna show you, actually show myself trying them on, and you'll get an idea of how I feel about these lipsticks. So thank you for coming, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye. Okay, so I wanted to come in and say a little bit more about the lipsticks that I got. I will tell you guys that these are mattifying lipsticks, right? And so normally you would think that this would leave your lips very dry. I did not experience that at all with these. They are so good. The formula is so amazing. It leaves your lips feeling not dry, not sticky, they feel really, 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 really amazing. And I can't say enough about the pigment, and just, man, I was blown away. These are amazing lipsticks. I would definitely say it's worth the money and then some. I'm definitely going to be going back and trying to find some more shades that I will love. But yeah, guys, if you've been thinking about getting lipsticks from the Lip Bar, definitely, definitely, definitely do it. All right, bye.